Sarang na iba. Last one more.
Welcome to Jensen number 2. And for tonight, ang ganap po namin is some BP awards. We're here now. Yo, what's up? So, we are currently at BP Awards tonight. Our team today is black. So, yeah. Hi. Here we go.
How's the coffee?
Huh?
How's the coffee?
Coffee.
So how's the coffee?
Sarap.
Sarap.
Caramel macchiato. 10.
Movie Actress of the Year. Deserve. Sir, kaya lang po. Mag-lips lang.
The nominees are the BP Choice Awards for Female TikTok Face of the Year goes to the people's favorite female TikToker, plus being prominent.
The VP Choice Award goes to Karina Bautista. Congratulations!
Goes to people's favorite actor, who the...
Ayun guys, we're wrapping up and sobrang nag-enjoy kami. Thank you so much BP, Village People for this wonderful experience. Hindi namin ito makakalimutan and this is for the books and we hope nawawala. Yeah. So yun. Until next time, see you again.
Bye! Sobrang enjoy.
Thank you, Bingo Plus.
Thank you, Bingo Plus. Thank you, Bingo. Thank you, Village People. Thank you so much.
Until next time. Bye.
So much.
Price ka.